Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can make changes on the themes in Chrome. Let's say you have a if you like to change this theme as a right now my theme is rose red, right, as you can see here. So by default, if you don't like this and you want to change it, what you can do, so it's very simple and easy steps you guys can follow along. Go to the settings, um, click the appearance, and right now it's I'm selected as a rose themes. Okay, if I want to reset it, I can do this, and close the browser, see if the change happen. See, now it's just theme, it changes to white, right? If you want to add a different theme here, what you can do, just goes appearance and click the theme. In here, you can add different extension as per your need or like. Anything you can select it, you can do this. I'm just going to choose this. It's gonna take some times, and it's now added. Okay, now if I close the browser and see the changes, see my theme is right now here. It's really scary, huh? Yeah, this is how you can change, delete, update, things like that. You can just play around with the themes. Hope this video helped. If you like it, the videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.